Zactrack is all about automation, a reliable hands-free tracking system designed to keep performances running smoothly. But what happens when you need manual control? That's where the Proxy feature in the web monitor comes in. With Proxy, you can control virtual trackers using just your mouse or touch input. This acts as a backup for position input, giving you extra reliability when you need it most. Whether it's a special scenario like manually tracking a single performer in the audience or needing to take over in an emergency, Proxy gives you full control at any time. Our system is built to handle complex setups and automation is key, but with Proxy, you have the flexibility to step in when needed. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Proxy is available in the web monitor, which can be reached from any web browser by typing in the IP address of your server. This will take you to the landing page, which includes 4 options: Web Monitor, Tablet Applications, Manual, and Maintenance and Update. Click on the web monitor. You can also jump directly to this page by typing the IP address of your server and then /8082. The Proxy settings are accessed within the web monitor by pressing the P in the brackets in the top right-hand corner. The Proxy EUI first needs to be set. Proxy EUI refers to a unique identifier assigned to this virtual tracker, allowing it to be recognized and used within the system. Essentially, it ensures that each proxy has a distinct identity similar to how physical trackers have unique identifiers. The gray plus button on the right can be pressed to add multiple into the system at once. The control method determines what happens when the proxy is moved on the screen with your pointer device. Absolute will send the position of the proxy directly to the XYZ coordinates you pressed, whereas relative will move the proxy from where it is relative to where you have pressed. The update rate will determine the frequency the position data is sent out of the system. The follow option is only available when relative is chosen as the control method. When on, this keeps the proxy centered on the screen. When off, it will move on the screen with your pointing device. Lock, translation, rotation, and scale will disable the translation, rotation, and scaling to prevent accidental screen adjustments when sending positions. Grab and move is only available when absolute is chosen as the control method. When it is off, anytime you place your pointing device on the live view, the position of the proxy will immediately jump there. When this feature is on, you will need to click where the proxy is and drag it across the screen to where you want it to go. When all of the settings are set, you press Start Proxy. Once the proxy is started, you will see it as an unpatched actor in the Actors tab of the show editor on the client. It will now function within the client software like any other tracker in your show. Click on the green plus to add a new actor to your show. I'm going to label this Proxy. Control input can be enabled to control the actor settings from the lighting or sound console. Then press the green plus next to the trackers. Here you will see the proxy we just created in the list. Check it and press OK. Now we can press OK to add our proxy actor to our show. After an upload to the server, we will be able to assign fixtures to it. Again, this is just another actor in our show. Simply going to your fixture, click on the assignment dropdown and choose Proxy. This can be done with a lighting or sound desk if you have the control input on your fixture set accordingly. All that is left is moving our proxy and watching the fixture move with it. This fixture could be a lighting, OSC, or PSN fixture, depending on what effect you are creating on stage. Back in the web monitor, we will move our proxy across the screen and watch our show come alive. One thing to take note of: positions are transmitted as long as the web monitor tab remains open and active. Closing or reloading the tab stops transmission. Switching tabs may also interrupt position updates. With the proxy feature in the web monitor, you now have full manual control over your tracking system, giving you peace of mind during performances. Whether you're stepping in for the automated tracking during an emergency or need to make precise manual adjustments, Proxy ensures you always have control. By seamlessly integrating into your show's lighting and sound fixtures, you can maintain smooth, reliable performances even in the most complex scenarios.